An Introduction to Using the Pericalm Continence Stimulation Unit, available from pelvicfloorexercise.com.au. The Pericalm is an easy-to-use electrical stimulation device designed to act on the nerves and muscles of the pelvic floor. Its features are fully discussed in our other YouTube film clip. To use the Pericalm for the first time, insert the battery. Attach one Pericalm lead to one of the sockets, known as channels, in the top of the unit, and attach the electrode to the lead. It doesn't matter which channel you use. The Pericalm will work with a range of electrodes. In this demonstration we are using the Pericalm vaginal electrode, designed especially to work with the Pericalm. Use the on button on top of the unit to switch on the Pericalm. Select the program you want to use. The Pericalm has 6 preset programs which are described in our other YouTube film clip, and use the plus and minus buttons below the channel you are using to increase or decrease the level of output. Check the output by wrapping your hand around the vaginal sensor and increasing the intensity using the plus button under the channel the electrode is plugged into until you can feel the tingle from the electrode in your hand. Whilst you're checking the feel of the Pericalm, familiarize yourself with the display screen. Whilst the program is running, the screen will display a countdown from 25 minutes, the hertz rate, and the work and resting cycles relevant to the program you're using. For example, in the case of the STR1 program, the work interval is 5 seconds and the rest interval is 5 seconds. Whilst in the rest interval, the screen displays 0 MA on the left. In the work interval of 5 seconds, the screen displays the level of stimulation that has been selected, in this case 6 MA. Once you have practiced setting up the Pericalm following these steps and are satisfied with how it works, the electrode can be used vaginally. When the electrode is placed in the vagina, again use the plus and minus buttons below the channel you are using to increase or decrease the level of output. You are aiming for a level of intensity that activates the muscles with a tingling or contracting sensation whilst never being uncomfortable. For stimulation to work effectively, consistent placement is important every time you use the electrode. If you are unsure about how to place it, please check with your health professional. After each of the preset programs runs for 25 minutes. At the end of the program, press the power button to turn the unit off. Disconnect the leads and the electrode. Wash, dry and store the electrode in line with instructions, which will vary depending upon the type of electrode you are using. The frequency with which you will need to use the Pericalm depends on the condition you are treating and your health professional's recommendations. Pelvicfloorexercise.com.au supplies a summary table with every Pericalm showing examples of how it has been used for the treatment of incontinence. You may find it useful to discuss these research findings with your health professional. The Pericalm is available to customers worldwide, except for the US and Canada, from Pelvic Floor Exercise at www.pelvicfloorexercise.com.au. To find out more or to buy the Pericalm, visit our website, or from within Australia only, you may call 1300 76 39 40 to place an order.